First, scroll down from the top of screen and long press the Wi-Fi icon to enter the Wi-Fi settings page. Choose the right Wi-Fi network with the strongest signal, enter password, and click connect. Then, return to the home screen. Open the Skin Center app. For official use, please log in with your email to activate the app. Also, you can choose the trial mode. Please remember to exit it promptly, as any skin analysis records in trial mode can only be saved for a few hours. To create a new profile, click Create New Profile, enter the username, gender, phone number, age. Click Save Now to complete. The newly created profile will appear in the Profile Management section. You can find a customer by searching for their name or phone number using the search bar. Click on the newly created personal profile. Next to it are buttons for Comparative and Edit Profile Pane. Comparative button allows you to analyze the skin condition before and after treatment, while Edit Pane enables you to modify the customer's profile. Click Skin Detect Explore at the bottom of the screen. During the photo capture, align the center line with the nose bridge. Instruct the user to close their eyes, place their chin on the chin rest, and forehead on the forehead rest. Press the front face button to take the photo. Then 5 images will appear: white light image, negative polarized light image, positive polarized light image, woods light image, and UV light image. Click Next Step to move to the left face capture page. The user should turn their head 45 degrees to the right, exposing the left side of their face. If left face capture is unnecessary, click Skip. Once the left face is captured, click Next Step to move to the right face capture page. The user should turn their head 45 degrees to the left, exposing the right side of their face. If the right face does not need to be captured, click Skip. After capturing all images, click Next Step to proceed to the image upload and analysis page. Next, the system will generate 8 images: white light image, negative polarized light image, positive polarized image, woods light image, UV light image, red pigment image, brown map image, and white map image. If the left and right sides were captured, you can switch between them using the corresponding. The second section is shallow detection. There are 9 skin indicators. The first indicator is moisture page. After completing the detect, the system will then display the overall moisture content of the face. The maximum facial moisture content can reach up to 49%. Levels below 10% are categorized as poor, 10% to 30% as caution, and 30% to 49% as good. The analysis results will vary depending on the skin's hydration level. This part is about the harm of skin dehydration. This part provides advices for skin care. Clicking Plan Matching button will display the recommended treatments and products. Merchants can log into the backend website to customize or modify recommended products and treatments. This is the daily precautions and recommended hydration solutions. At the end of the page is a QR code, which can be scanned to view the report. The second indicator is sebum. The algorithm highlights areas with excessive sebum secretion with a yellow fluorescent glow. You can click the buttons below to check the left and right sides of the face. This part is skin problem analysis. It provides analysis corresponding to the state assessment given by the system. The third indicator is pores. The algorithm darkens the areas with enlarged pores. Click the annotations icon to show or hide the annotations. The system provides different evaluations and problem analysis depending on the skin condition. Following part is the causes of enlarged pores. Following part is the case of clogged pores. Tap image to zoom in and tap to zoom out. Merchants can change the case images via the backend website. The fourth indicator is blackheads. The algorithm darkens the areas with blackheads. The fifth indicator is superficial pigment. The purple areas represent facial pigmentation spots detected by the algorithm, which are marked using polygonal curves. The sixth indicator is mixed spot. This image shows the pigmentation spots on the skin surface. The algorithm highlights facial pigmentation spots with brown color blocks. The seventh indicator is acne. The algorithm marks acne areas with purple circles. the more acne spots there are, the more significant the skin redness, indicating a more severe acne problem. The 8th indicator is skin barrier. The skin barrier image displays issues of skin redness and the distribution of broken capillaries. The red areas indicate damaged skin barriers. The 9th indicator is wrinkle. The algorithm identifying facial wrinkles and marking their distribution with short green lines. The more discontinuous the lines, the coarser the skin. The 3rd section is deep detection, which analyzes 8 skin indicators. First is porphyrins. The brick red fluorescent spots in the image represent the presence of Propionibacterium acnes and Malassezia, 2 microorganisms that can exacerbate acne. You can scroll down to see the corresponding status assessment, relevant analysis, and skincare advice. At the end of the page is a QR code, which can be scanned to view the report. The 2nd indicator is deep pigment. The overall green areas of the image represent wood as light, while the purple areas are the facial pigmentation zones identified by the algorithm, outlined with polygonal curves. The 3rd indicator is brown pigment. Areas with more concentrated pigmentation are displayed more densely in the image. This page includes a sliding cursor that allows a clearer comparison of skin pigmentation issues under polarized light and brown light. The 4th indicator is heat map of pigment, which displays the deep pigmentation distribution on the skin. Different colors indicate the distribution of visible spots, moles, and scars under polarized light. Red represents severe pigmentation, yellow is moderate, green is mild, and blue represents normal skin. The 5th indicator is the red map of sensitivity under negative polarized light. The redness image shows the superficial redness of the skin and the distribution of broken capillaries. This page includes a sliding cursor for a clearer comparison of pigmentation issues under polarized light and red light. The 6th indicator is heat map of sensitivity. The algorithm uses different colors to show varying degrees of sensitivity and their distribution on the skin. Deep red represents areas of severe sensitivity, yellow is moderate, green is mild, and blue represents normal skin. The 7th indicator is the fluorescent agent. Fluorescent agents are displayed as bright blue light, often in large patches. The 8th indicator is collagen. The mixed light image shows the coarseness of the skin as texture, with more discontinuous lines indicating rougher skin and more significant collagen loss. The first section is the comprehensive report page. The client's personal profile shown at the top. The first part is the emergency analysis, which includes 2 indicators, porphyrins and red map of sensitivity. The second part is the rank analysis, presented as a bar chart, with categories such as good, caution, and poor. The third part is the key analysis. Only skin issues rated as poor will appear in this section. If no issues are rated as poor, this section will remain empty. Clicking on different indicator photo will display different analysis recommendations. At the end of the page is a QR code, which can be scanned to view the report. The fifth section is the comparative analysis page. You can select images taken at 2 different times to compare the skin indicators, providing a clear view of the effects of skincare. The comparison can be horizontal or vertical. At the top right corner of this page, the left icon is for returning to the home page, and the second is for going back to the previous page. Clicking the first button at the top right corner of homepage lets you view machine-related information, set the language, and check the internet speed. Clicking the second button at the top right corner of homepage allows you to adjust a single value, hide single item, or hide all items. The search box below allows you to quickly find a client by entering their name or phone number. Adjust a single value. Clicking the client as personal profile allows you to use a slider to improve individual or multiple skin values. Hide single item. Clicking the client as personal profile allows you to hide one or more items for a client. Once the system automatically saves the changes, the hidden items will not be displayed the next time the client is scanned. Hide all items. You can choose to hide one or more items. After the system saves the changes, the hidden items will not be displayed for all clients' analysis later.